Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about gradients given in roads. So let's begin. First of all, a gradient is the rate of rise or fall along the length of the road with respect to the horizontal. While alignment of the road, the gradient has to be decided for the designing of the vertical curves. Now, when the gradient is decided, before that we have to know the construction cost, the vehicle operation cost, and the problems at site. If the gradient is steeper, we cannot opt for that because it would not be easier to climb also, and the construction cost would be higher. Now, speaking of representation of gradients, the ascending gradient is represented as the positive gradient, and the descending gradient is represented as the negative gradient. Now, there are different kinds of gradients. First one is the ruling gradient. Ruling gradient is basically the maximum gradient with which the designer can work with the vertical profile of the road. Now, this basically has different values depending upon different terrains. For plain terrains and for hilly terrains, we have different value. India has a heterogeneous traffic, so there is no single design speed opted. So IRC has given the values for ruling gradients. Now the second one is the limiting gradient. When the cost of the ruling gradient is higher, then we go opt for the limiting gradient. This is for a limited interval of time and has to be sandwiched with some lesser values, lengths of roads with lesser gradients. Now the third one is the exceptional gradient. This is opted when in exceptional cases where much of a high gradient is required and we cannot opt for the ruling gradient or the limiting gradient. So this is opted for a length of less than 100 meters and has to be compensated after that with a lesser value of gradient. So the fourth one is the minimum gradient. This gradient is basically opted for the drainage of rainwater from the surface of the road. Now this basically helps with the camber of the road also. So these are the different kinds of gradients which are opted.